learning every build Tejana style. Hey, welcome back to Jack of all trades, master of none. This is your host, Tejana style. Don't hold it against me. So this is probably going to be a pretty short video because it's just about installing a glove box in a 1994 F-150. So I want to show you. I bought this one and it didn't have a glove box. So as you can see, we've installed everything else. You've seen the prior videos, but I'm not going to bore you with that. So my nephew, again, got me a glove box from the junkyard. So it was gray, but since I painted the XLT black, and I really do want to get a black seat for my truck because I've painted some of the panels black that I haven't installed yet, just to go with the theme for the Hulk thing. Theme, not thing. Jeez, O-P. I'm going to spray paint this one black and put it in there so that it just has some color to it and just be me. So here we go. Let's do another build, Tejana style. Alright, so I painted, got it dry as you saw in the video. I told you it was going to be short because it's pretty easy stuff, but just because it's easy stuff, people don't know how to do it. So, anyway, most of you are probably wondering where Dallas went because he wasn't in this video either. Well, he said that I stay up too late because I just figured I'd go ahead and put the dash and take out the radio and then put the glove box in. Everything kind of tied in together. So he was like, peace out, dude. I was like, alright. I said, your fans are going to miss you. He was like, tell him I'm sorry. I'll be back for the next one. I was like, okay. All right. So anyway, back to this video of putting the glove box in. So I know you're a little far away, but it's just how I had to set up the camera, but it's got these two little tabs right here on each side, and you just push them in and pop this baby in. So we're going to put it on the hooks right here. It's actually fairly easy. And then push those in. Well, I say that fairly easy. You just have to push the sides in. There's no screws. There it is. And there's the glove box. I'll get all the dirt off of it, but so I did black like I said, but it's because I just want a little color to it. These pieces will be black when I get done. But I can say another successful build with the Hana style. So I'm going to recap for you a little bit because you'll see the other two videos before you see this. If you have to change out your radio, you'll want to pop out the glove box, which is just push it in, pull it out, and then remove the 7 screws from here, which are 3/8, and take this off. Well, you don't really have to take this off, but it might be easier. But at least take the glove box out where you can help push those clips in for the radio. But so this truck is starting to look good as a Hulk truck. So all I can say is we've done good, and I'll be back around in just a minute. Hold on. So I'm going to give you a little tour real quick before I finish. Give me a second. And let me go to the other side. But I will say this, I do enjoy doing this. Yeah, I stay up late, but it's alright. Dallas will learn to keep up. But so, look at that nice new glove box that we have. Nice black one at that. The XLT, the new dash, and there's no radio in there right now, but the previous video you will see the new radio in there. And I hope that the speakers work, because I don't really know, because the radio didn't work. So, here's to you, and see you next week, or the next time. I hope it's next week. I'm doing pretty good about dropping videos. But I do, again, I'm going to say I appreciate your love, and I appreciate your likes and your comments. Comment. I'm just glad I'm trying to help somebody, and makes me feel good when you say that you're going to go home and try it, or that makes sense, or you learn something. Because that's what it's all about. Again, I'm going to say I don't know everything, but what I do know, I try to get it out there. So, again, another successful build, the Hana style. Alright, see you next time.